Hi everyone, this is Elon from Egard Watch Company, and I wanted to give a quick announcement about a new pre-sale we have on the website, which is really amazing. What we did is essentially we build all our own cases from scratch, we do our own crystals, we do our own dials. That's how we build these crazy looking watches. And we worked really hard to make a super well priced, very high quality watch. So what you're getting is a sapphire crystal, which is very scratch resistant. It's ideal, it's what you want on a watch. You're getting an automatic Japanese movement, so there's no battery. It warns off the movement of your wrist. Has an exhibition back, so you can see the movement. It's water resistant to 50 meters. And again, same case quality and crystal quality that we put behind every watch, but we really just cut our margins as much as possible just to be able to pre-sell this out to everyone and give them the best deal possible. So you're getting all that really classical design piece, 40 millimeters case size, 11 millimeters thickness, so it's really thin, it fits under your cuff. All that for $135. If you've ordered from us before, you know the quality we put behind these watches. It's still there. So it's an incredible deal, and I just wanted to let everyone know.